This bird's body is getting blown around by the wind, but its head is locked in place like a statue, and it's using a secret vision superpower to hunt for its food. This is the Kestrel, a small but fierce type of falcon. You've probably seen one hovering over the side of a highway or a big open field. And while that hovering ability is incredible, their real hunting secret is something completely invisible to our eyes. I'm going to show you how these little falcons hunt like high-tech drones and reveal the superpower that lets them see hidden, glowing trails left by their prey. First, let's talk about their signature move, the hover. A kestrel can hang motionless in midair, sometimes for minutes at a time, scanning the ground below for any sign of movement. This is called wind hovering. They do it by flying into the wind at the exact same speed that the wind is moving towards them. The two forces cancel each other out, and they stay perfectly in one spot. But the really freaky part is the head stabilization. While they are hovering, their wings are flapping and their body is adjusting to every little gust of wind, but their head stays completely, eerily still. It's like a biological gimbal, the same technology we use to get steady shots with a camera. Their brain takes information from their eyes and their inner ear, which controls balance, and makes thousands of tiny, super fast adjustments in their neck muscles to keep their eyes locked on the target. Okay, so they can hover like a drone and keep their head perfectly steady. But they're hunting for a tiny mouse or a vole hiding in a huge field of grass. How do they have any idea where to even start looking? This is where their superpower comes in. Kestrels can see light in the ultraviolet or UV spectrum. We can't see this, but for a kestrel, it opens up a whole new world. And here's why that's important. Small rodents, like voles, are constantly leaving little trails of urine as they run along their paths through the grass. And that urine reflects ultraviolet light. So when we look down at a field, we just see a sea of green. But when a kestrel looks down, it sees a glowing neon road map of all the rodent highways. It can literally follow these invisible pea trails right to where a vole is hiding. It's an unbelievable hunting advantage. And they don't just stick to rodents. They are super adaptable predators. They'll eat big insects like grasshoppers and dragonflies, grab small lizards and snakes, and will even hunt other small birds. They are a perfectly designed, all-purpose hunting machine. And to top it all off, some kestrels have learned to live right alongside us. The American kestrel, which is North America's smallest falcon, is a great example. While a lot of birds of prey are pushed out by our cities and towns, kestrels have figured out how to make it work. In the wild, they would nest in old woodpecker holes or natural cavities in cliffs. But in our world, they've learned that a crack in an old building, a space under a bridge, or a nest box put up by a friendly human works just as well. It shows how smart and adaptable these little falcons really are. So, the kestrel is a true marvel of nature. They are tiny falcons that can hunt like a high-tech drone, using their incredible ability to hover in place while keeping their head perfectly still. Their secret weapon is a vision superpower that allows them to see the world in ultraviolet and follow the glowing trails of their prey. And they are so adaptable that they've even figured out how to make a living in our own backyards. If you want to see the hidden superpowers of more common backyard animals, make sure you subscribe.